Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the trial run of the cardboard shredder with actual material. For this test, we simulated an actual production condition by using the loading hopper to feed 1.3 meter long cardboard into the shredding chamber in a single batch in order to evaluate the shredding performance and operating stability. As shown in the video, the cardboard enters the shredding chamber smoothly and is continuously shredded. The machine operates stably and can meet the requirements for continuous processing of large volumes of cardboard cartons and cardboard. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.